Today we're showing you a 2013 Kubota M8560. Tractor has just under 1900 hours on it. Has a Kubota LA 1353 quick attach front loader that goes with it. Has 85 horsepower. It's a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine with a turbo. It is a nice looking tractor overall, but it does have some damage on it. The front of the hood here does have some defects. Top of the hood also has some dents in it. Kind of hard to pick up here in the video, but it does have some dents in top of the hood. Loader is also slightly faded, more faded than the tractor, which is pretty common on these tractors. It does have the skid steer quick attach here for your bucket connection. Bucket's in good shape. Somebody had drilled some holes in it. Looks like they had a bolt-on cutting edge on it at one time. That is not on it now, obviously. Tractor, the engine will regen. It does not require DEF. Has mirrors on both sides of the cab. Has the cast rear wheels. Tires in the back are probably about 25-30% on this side. This side they're probably closer to half. Has the 540 PTO, obviously. Telescopic arms. Stabilizer bars. Dual remotes. Makes somebody a pretty nice hay tractor. If you're looking for something to set bales in the winter and do some baling in the summertime, this might be a pretty good fit for you. Inside the cab, it's got the suspension seat here for the operator, tilt wheel here, left hand hydraulic shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. 4-wheel drive engagement here to the left, has park gear and then 4 gears and a high-low range, gives you a total of 8 speeds. Has a loader control, hydraulic controls, PTO, and 3-point all over there to the right. Up top you've got climate controls. Down below you have foot throttle, differential lock, clutch pedal, kickstand for your tilt wheel, and then also clutch pedal here on the left here, I guess. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping. We can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 150 tractors on our yard. You can visit our website at massedtractor.com to see our current inventory, or feel free to contact us at your convenience.